day kind of late. I drove all the way from Philly to York, PA, just to meet up with some friends. We're going to Harrisburg, going to, where are we going? Sonic, right?
Yeah, Sonic.
Yeah, we're heading up to Sonic from York, so that's about a half-hour drive-ish. So we're just waiting for a couple people. Got my boy B's car right here. It's 15. Psych! It's actually a S14.5. So what that is it's technically it's an S14 rear, but it's got the S15 Silvia front end. So hence, you know, S14.5. Then we got Chris Nazar's RSX. Yo, big things coming with this car. He's got a crazy turbo built. So just waiting for that. I know he's got some stuff coming in. Krishna, what's going on, Krishna? Chilling. So I was just telling him about your turbo build coming through.
Oh yeah.
So tell me what you got. What else you got coming in that you need to come in and start the build?
I've done the hardest part, and I was just waiting, collecting all the pieces. Took me a good, half a year. Everything came in. I'm just waiting on my ECU. About to put in my clutch, break that in for a couple 100 miles before I actually install all the turbo pieces, and then probably get it taken off the what's on it? Schmuck.
Oh, schmuck. Oh yeah.
Hopefully.
Love me a schmuck build.
A little bit ago.
What kind of turbo you got on there? That you have?
It's a Borg Warner 7670. Airworks. Tau 44mm external wastegate. Woo. Got a Sheepy build, intercooler, 3-inch vertical. It's gonna be nice. All radium fuel system.
That's gonna be pushing a good what? 350, 400 maybe? A little more than that?
Yeah, easily.
You gotta be careful on these K motors.
Yeah, I'm running full fuel returns. Just leave myself headroom, and I don't even plan to push it too crazy yet until I get a build head at least. It's a new valve spring.
Okay. Yep. I'll definitely
see what the stock motor can hold up, and then I'm gonna try to get another block built on the side, probably 24, K24, like natural progression.
Okay. Yep, build coming soon. I'm definitely gonna be having updates on this thing. Definitely be updating you guys on this thing because RSX turbo.
Yo, I just ordered my ECU.
Yeah, yo.
MacBook, got Photoshop, and got a
Alright guys, so we just made it to this meet, I'd say it is, at Sonic.
One piece.
Turnout's okay. Typical car meet. I'll walk around and show you what's out here.
Anything I've ever done in my life. I just wanted some advice on how to impress Jamie Weissman. I've only tried both aggressive rapping and casual flexing.
Go.
TikTok. You considered something similar. You mean like eating it?
Update shows kind of dying down. A couple nice cars out here. Definitely love the Evo. Miss mine so bad. A and B, remember that? Remember when I had the Evo?
Oh yeah.
Let's not talk about that.
I won't talk about it.
No.
Soon, I'll be back in the game soon. Alright guys, that wraps it up for the night. I just did a little photo shoot with a couple Nissan 240s and a 300ZX. I'll have a little short video at the end of this video showing you the cars. So, see you guys in the next one.